Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, Exercise 3.5, question number 34. Dear students, this is lesson number 8 and SW number 7. Okay, dear students, now let us start our today's class. At first, I am reading the question of today's class. This is a CQ. Okay, in the stem it is written that each of the members of an association decide to subscribe 100 times the number of members, but 4 members did not subscribe. Dear students, carefully listen. In your book here it is written that but 7 members did not subscribe. You have to take a correction. It will be but 4 members did not subscribe. Then you can solve the problem. As a result, amount of subscription for each member was increased by TK 500 than the previous. Now, one number question is, if the number of members is X and total amount of subscription is TKA, find the relation between them. Dear the students, here it is said that the number of members is X, and in the stem it is said that each of the members of an association decide to subscribe 100 times the number of members. Here number of members is X and each member's subscription is 100 times of number of members. That means 100x. So that each member's subscription will be 100x. Total number of members is X. So X member subscription, that means total subscription will be 100x multiplication x. That means 100x square. And here given the total amount of subscription is A. So that as per question we can write A equal to 100x square, and this will be the relation between them. Okay, now we'll solve one number. Here number of the members of the association is X. Each member's subscription 100 times of number of members, that means 100 multiplication x. 100 multiplication x taka, and this is equal to 100x taka. Dear students, 100x taka is the subscription of each members, that means 1 members, and here total number of members is X, so X members subscription will be 100x multiplication x, that means 100x square. So that we can write, therefore total amount of subscription, therefore total amount of subscription is TK 100x multiplication x. This is equal to TK 100x square. Given that total amount of subscription is TKA. Given that total amount of subscription is TKA. Therefore, as per question, now we can write A equal to 100 x square. This is the required relation. This is the required relation. Okay, dear students, you have solved one number. Now we'll solve two numbers. At first, we'll read the question. Here, in 2 number question, it is said that find the number of members of the association and total amount of subscription. In 1 number, we have considered number of members is X, and on that case, we have got total amount of subscription was 100 x squared. In the question, it is said that, but 4 members did not subscribe. As a result, amount of subscription for each members was increased by TK 500. Dear the students, if 4 members did not subscribe, then the number of members who have subscribed will be X minus 4, and in this case each member subscription will be increased by TK 500. That means each member subscription will be 100x plus 500. Now total amount of subscription will be x minus 4 multiplication 100x plus 500. And from 1 we have got total amount of subscription will be total amount of subscription is TK 100x square. So that we can form a formula and we can form an equation, and solving the equation we can get the value of variable x. From 1 we get total amount of subscription is TK 100x square, and each member's subscription is TK 100x. Now, if 4 members don't subscribe, if 4 members don't subscribe, then the number of members subscribed is, it will be x minus 4. In this case, each member subscription will be increased by TK 500. That means each member subscription will be 100x plus 500. In this case, each member's subscription is TK 100x plus 500. Each member subscription is TK 100x plus 500. So x minus 4 member subscription will be x minus 4 into 100x plus 500. Therefore, total amount of subscription. Total amount of subscription is TK x minus 4 into 100x plus 500. Now, dear the students, here total amount of subscription is TK x minus 4 into 100x plus 500. Again, total amount of subscription is TK 100x square. So that we can write as per question x minus 4 into 100x plus 500 equal to 100x square. Therefore, as per question, x minus 4 into 100x plus 500 equal to 100x square. Now, after multiplying, we get x into 100x, this is equal to 100x square. Now, x into 500, this is equal to 500x. 500x minus 4 into 100x, this is equal to minus 400x. 400x. And again, plus minus minus 4 multiplication 5, this is equal to 2000. 4 multiplication 500 equal to minus 2000, and this is equal to 100x square. Dear students, in both sides here 100x square exists, so we can omit 100x square from both sides. Or here 500x minus 400x, this is equal to 100x. 100x minus 2000, this is equal to 0, since we have omitted 100x square from both sides. Or 100x equal to 2000, or x equal to 2000 divided by 100. Therefore, x equal to 20. Dear the students, total number of members will be 20. Therefore, number of the members of association is x equal to 20. Dear the students, it is one answer. Now we have to find another answer. Here the question is, 2 number question is, find the number of members. We have already found it. And again, and total amount of subscription. Also we have to find out total amount of subscription. Dear students, we have got total amount of subscription was 100x square. Total amount of subscription is 100x square. So that if we put the value of x here, we can get total amount of subscription. total amount of subscription is TK 100 x square. This is equal to TK 100 multiplication. Value of x is 20 square. TK 100 multiplication. Dear the students, 20 square equal to 400. This is equal to TK. If we multiply 400 by 100, then it will be 4000. TK 4000. Sorry, 40,000. It will be 40,000. And this is another answer. Dear the students, we have solved 2 number. Now we will solve 3 number. 3 number question is 1/4 of total amount of subscription at the rate of simple profit 5% and rest of the money at the rate of simple profit 4% are invested for 2 years. Find the total profit. Here total amount of subscription from 2 we have got. Total amount of subscription is TK 40,000. Now 1/4 of TK 40,000, this will be 10,000, and this 10,000 taka are invested at the rate of profit, rate of simple profit 4%, and rest of the money, that means 40,000 minus 10,000, that means 30,000 are invested at the rate of simple profit 4%. Now we have to find out total profit. So applying the formula I equal to PNR in 2 times, we can get 2 profit, then adding these 2 profit we can get total amount of profit. At first you will write from 2 we get total amount of profit is TK 40,000. From 2 we get total amount of profit. Total amount of profit is TK 40,000. Now 1/4 of TK 40,000. This is equal to what? It will be 4 tens are 40, 10,000. Then if we multiply 10,000 with 1, then it will be TK 10,000. There, TK 10,000. Now we will find out rest of the money. Therefore, rest of the money. Therefore, rest of the money. Rest of the money equal to TK 40,000 minus 30,000, sorry, 10,000. This is equal to TK 30,000. This 10,000 TK 10,000 invested at the rate of profit 5%, and this TK 30,000 are invested at the rate of 4%, and in both case number of year is 2 years. So that in first case simple profit I equal to, in first case simple profit I equal to PNR, and here P equal to 10,000, multiplication n equal to 2 years, multiplication rate of profit are equal to 5%. Now 10,000 multiplication 2 multiplication 5 multiplication, instead of percentage we can write 1 by 100. Sorry, it will be 1 by 100. Now we can cut this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Now 2 multiplication 5, this is equal to 10, and 10 multiplication 100, this is equal to 1000. Now in second case, simple profit we will find out. In second case, simple profit, I equal to PNR, this is equal to, in this case principal will be 30,000, multiplication number of year 2 years and rate of profit 4%. Now 30,000 multiplication 2 multiplication 4 multiplication, instead of percentage we will write 1 by 100. We can cut this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Now here 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. 2400, that means 2400. So total amount of profit will be TK 1000 plus 2400. Therefore total profit equal to TK 1000 plus 2400. This is equal to TK, it will be 3400, and this is the answer of 3 number question. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's CW. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 7, and the topic of the SW is exercise 3.5, question number 34. Again I am telling, today's SW number 7 and the topic of the SW is exercise 3.5, question number 34. That means our today's CW is your SW also. Okay, the students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.